Back again here at Real Guitars.
Okay.
Lots of little interesting amps here, right? Look at that one. That might be a beauty to take a look at, right?
Okay, cool, man. That's great. All right.
Don't see those around much, right? Here's those Takais that were here last time as well. Japanese made Takai fenders, strats. I like that one with the aged pickups there. But look at that fender right there. That's sweet.
It's very strange. No, it happens.
2,500 bucks. It's a reissue.
It's got a new battery inside of it, right?
Road worn. Here's that Fernandez that I was looking at last time. Really nice guitar, actually. That thing.
A little bit, you know. I mean,
It's got the three-way switch on it, old school. But look at that color, man. It's got a very cool kind of turquoise blue color.
Thank you, guy. Yeah, you still in Pacifica?
There's that Nighthawk that Jack the Rabbit was checking out last time we were here, but he ended up buying that SG.
Orchard Avenue.
Orchard Avenue.
Oh, who's this dude? Oh, it's Jack the Rabbit. I picked him up, of course. I had to bring this back for repair. So this guy's got something still not right with it, but I'm hoping it's going to be right.
Okay, text goes away.
Super.
And
Pro reverb right there
thing on
for
the box.
$11.99. Late 70s, it says. Late 70s Pro reverb. $11.99. $6.99 for this super heavy reverb. I think that's why they call it super, because it's super heavy, right? And Jack is checking out this custom made by one of the repair guys. This custom made. What's the guy's name?
His name's Mike Gardner.
Gardner. Okay,
Yeah,
Gardner.
and he's you know.
That is a sweet top, man. Look at that thing.
Let's see. He may even still be in here.
All right.
Do you want me to get him if he's here? You want to have any questions for him?
For
Or?
sure. Why not?
Yeah, might as
Yeah,
well.
hang tight.
You might want to know what kind of pickups are on the top and the middle there.
What kind of pickups these are too.
Yeah, he's got some Duncans in the
I think they're
bridge,
stainless steel frets. They look like, right? Do they look like stainless steel?
You know, I can't tell by looking at them, and I'm not that much of a pro to know, but it's, they're rounded off nicely, so it could be. They're real shiny, likely,
It plays really nice, man.
right? A brand new twin reverb over here, and that's a brand new super reverb.
I'm extremely concerned about in general.
Oh, that Victoria amps. Sorry.
Mike's upstairs doing some work. As soon as he comes down, if you're still around,
It will be around. We're gonna hang for a bit. Look at that Imperial.
I put on
That's so
some brand
killer.
new strings on this guitar just
Oh,
the
I
other
love
day.
these kinds of
And
amps.
sometimes, and I didn't redo the intonation.
You can never spend enough time in real guitars. And we got a Dirty Shirley here with its 1x12, right? I'm really interested in getting the dual double Shirley, or the twin sisters as they call it, a dual channel double Shirley. And we can do one clean and one dirty, right? Bandmasters, look at that Bandmaster. Ah, wonder what that vibrato sounds like.
Just needs to be.
Man, look at this thing. It's got serious history in it.
I can do that.
You know what? No price, because guess what? If you have to ask, 1964. That's real vintage there, people.
If you stick with the same gauge strings and the
Super reverb. That's got some miles on it as well. $8.99.
there's no reason.
Wow, it's hard to believe these prices. Really, I mean, I'm assuming they're up and running.
Once you set the intonation, it should be.
Bob is calling me back. I can't answer.
When they get old,
Sorry, Bob. Doing a video. Fender Deluxe. A buddy of mine had one of these. I think it was this one. Isn't it? It's a single. I think he had the bigger one, the one that had a couple speakers in it. This one probably just has the one. Galleon Kruger. Okay, and here's the twin. I think these were done in the 90s. Let's see. Fender the Twin, $399. But it doesn't say anything about what year it is. But yeah, supposedly these things are a little hotter. I don't really know. Let's see if it weighs like it. Oh, I can't even pick it up. Oh god, because it's got a bunch of guitars leaning on it, but that's not the only reason it's heavy. Look at all these killer classicals. I didn't even see these here last time. Well, I think I did, but look at that. Nice. Oh yeah, and this G&L last time, right? With that orange G&L. $1,200. Case that classic. That's stained. It's not printed, it's stained, right? It's just so killer looking. It looks like a sherbet ice cream. You know, the ones that have the cream in the middle. What do they call it? Creamsicle? Popsicle and a cream ice cream in the middle. Sherbet ice cream sickle. Oh, this is a nice classic here. 2019, of course. But still pretty sweet. And they still have that, and that's a cool big body Gibson there, right? Pretty interesting. Yeah, they still have this this Fender over here. So this is a '97 limited edition. Limited edition, '97. It's got all the gold parts. Real nice, really nice resin fretboard. Sweet. Really nice Firebird. And check this thing out. Travel guitar. Sorry, sure. That is so cool. Love that one. Oh, 1983 62 vintage reissue. $4,500. Looks like it's made to spec, right? And here's that BC Rich Gibson, made by BC Rich. Alright. Look at that abalone. That was that one with that really cool top. Remember that? If you remember that last visit here. Anyway, who's asking for fun? Travis Bean. Travis Bean says so. Look at that melee ukulele. Look at that SG Gibson bass. That looks like it's got some age on it. Yeah, 1962. 1962. $29.99, $3,000. It's got that baritone switch on there, right? Is that what they call that? Baritone.
You don't need it. I appreciate it. Thank you. Thank you very much.
Oh, look at that. Zamatus. Hey, Jack the Rabbit. They got one of Dave R's favorite guitars here. They got one of the Zamatus LPs over here. Come check it out. Right next to this really nice looking Rickenbacker 12 string. That's probably fun to tune. And I really like that one. That's cool.
It sure looks like it. It looks like this thing just
Oh, you know what?
and you just spin it.
Check this out, you guys. Alright, this is a cool little bit of history here. So you know the TC Electronics Ultra Ego Vintage Echo delay pedal I have, the X4. It's actually made using these colors and this script. And I remember them talking about, I think it was Pro Guitar Shops when they were around, they helped, you know, design that off of the original X4 digital delay, you know. They made such a good algorithm, they thought, hey, we should use that algorithm and copy some of these classic delays, right? So one of them is actually a delay, and I think it's based off of this Tel-Ray sound chamber, and I don't know if it's this, but it supposedly does this sound, which is uses an oil, and you know, like how a reverb tank has the springs along the tank. Well, this one's like an oil drum. Don't know technically exactly how it's done, but Anyway, yeah, I'm gonna show this. I'm gonna take a picture. I'm gonna show this to you guys up against the scripting
Alright. They're not that expensive. They're like,
of that pedal that I have. So killer, man. They just have the coolest stuff here, you know?
they're actually 20, but
Love this store.
there's expensive. Because you gotta have the whole thing. So we'll save you $2. You wanna do that? That's great. Okay, great.
Fender.
And it doesn't fit in your back, but it
That's
should.
an interesting,
the photo has a
interesting
little scoop on
fender,
top.
isn't it?
Is there
And
any
this is a-
thinner bars?
No, there's
It's
not.
all about this size.
It's about that's
All right,
it.
cool.
Yeah, there's no thinner bar.
Alright.
Floyd Rose is what it is. Now I wonder how do we have you in
Sorticaster.
the system, you think?
It's not a Fender, it's a Ferdin.
Let's try. Let's.
A
Yeah,
Ferdin
let's try PA.
Sorticaster. I dig it.
Booyah! You know. Hang on, let me try. Well,
I love it. This is the kind of stuff you catch here, right?
Rodriguez.
The last name is Rodriguez? That's the same name as my last name.
Ferdin.
No
A
way.
Fender?
Fernando Rodriguez.
Fender. Okay, that's a real
What?
Fender
With a
music master.
G-U-E-Z,
Right?
though.
I wasn't sure.
Alright, there you go. Both is-
Getting fooled here in
And
the
my
store.
brother's
Let
name
me
is
go like this. Sorry, I'm going sideways.
My
My
brother's
bad.
name is-
It's a Ferdin
That's my dad's
Sorticaster.
father's
It's my father's.
It's another Fernandez. There you go.
Alright,
These are
cool. So we're
seriously
just
good
gonna
guitars.
go.
Let's see if this is a 3 or a 2. Yeah, it's a
PA.
3 switch, so
Got it.
not a 5-way, but a 3-way. Because who needs a 3-way when you can have a 5-way? You can have a 5-way. This is actually very cool. This is another one of the Ferdins. Just like this. And better lighting. Sorry, I'm going sideways on you guys like this.
Then a quit. Whoa! How about that, huh?
Ferdin Telemaster Jr. So look at that body shape. That's kind of like a jazz master, but not. Yeah, it's pretty cool. And I love that funky purple color with the tortoise pickguard. 3-ply. Telly type set up with the selector switch on the bottom, so upside down, right? So which kind of comes in handy if you want the volume knob on top, which is how I'd want it. Wow, really interesting. Didn't even see that one last time.
Okay, PA.
Must be new. There's that Supro that I was kind of eyeing
If you have any
last time.
questions, you need to bring it in and tweak it. We'll figure something out
I
for
think it
you.
was about
Alright,
500 bucks.
PA. Or should I say,
Bunch of lap
Senor
steels.
Rodriguez, mucho gusto.
Yeah.
Thank you, Mr. Rodriguez.
If anyone's interested in learning the lappity slap steel.
Mr. Modern Rock guitar player now.
Alright, so I'm going to cut it here because I'm going to want to do a little,
Anytime, brother.
check out the amp and see what's going on with it. I think Chris, when he's done with his business. Look at that funky Aries Pro. That's pretty wild. Man, there's just so many. I saw guitars I didn't see last time. Look at that funky purple Ibanez right there. It's a sparkle purple. I don't know if you're catching that, but it's a sparkle purple. It's almost like a pre-Majesty. Even though Ibanez didn't make Majesties, of course, made by Music Man. But anyway. And look at that National right there. That's interesting. Double humbucker, so humbucker, double cream, which you don't see often, right? Double cream, National, in kind of like an offset SG style. That's pretty cool. I'm gonna pick that up. And what is this thing? Pointy guitars. How about pointy guitars? All right. So we'll probably just go out on Jack the Rabbit shredding away over here. Music Therapy Labs, reminding y'all, the secret of tone is in your mind, but the feel comes from your heart. You need both to put them together to make some good music, so rock out. Jack the Rabbit here, and Music Therapy Labs, out.